this one, that's the locomotive. Second, Papa, this is the locomotive, and this is the tender, and this is the coaches of them, and this you can view with your Lego things about Lego people, and they can do crazy things in that. They can do some funny things, and there you're gonna see. If you fall off the train, you will suck. And if this is the view car looks like this, and this is the backup, Hayabusa backup, and this one is for the
Cargo.
yes, that's for the cargo. Now you can take a view in my train.
Can I start the train now?
Yep. Wait. It's slowing it down. Oh no. Wait. Papa, bakit mahihina?
You need to help them.
Baka mahina yung battery.
Opo. Papalitan natin tomorrow, ha?
Gusto ko yun.
Sarado na yung tindahan.
It's only black. Oops, that's what's broken. I think there's someone going there. I think we'll remove this. We will remove that, okay? And we'll use that later. Slow motion.
So long. The longest train tracks. Train.
This is a sharp turn.
Yeah.
It's riding in the train safely. Look, the train's studying. Everyone's panicking. But everyone can stop panicking.